We have the other bumperette at the shop. All right, we are in a 1970 FJ40 Land Cruiser. Here's a startup. Little bit of choke. And we'll go choke in. Usually it runs just fine. Nice. All right, so that's that original 2F straight 6. Runs like a top. Good running truck right here. It's got an electric fuel pump by the engine, click-clack style. This is a project, but it's a running, driving, good VIN plate, good title, freshly painted tan project. New windshield, good tires and wheels, heaters hooked up. All the lights are there, they're just not wired in yet. What a cool vehicle though these are. These are like a Jeep, but I'd argue they're a little bit cooler than a Jeep of the 70s. Simple, no nonsense metal dash. You know, this one's painted tan, desert beige. We have the parts for the top, not in good condition, so we didn't try to put it on. We can include parts. We can set you up after purchase to have our body shop kind of put the top back together, or just order new parts, whatever is more cost effective. Or you can buy it, take it home, customize it how you want. You're gonna lift it, 35s. You know, there's all kinds of different ways to take this build. This one so far is more of an original restoration style. Little bit of a patch panel, not patch panel, maybe like welding repair on the hood that I saw. But project nonetheless. A lot of concern with this is rust. With these, there's some rust spots, but the thing was sandblasted then painted, so what you see is what there is. You know, there's little speckles here and there, but the frame is in awesome shape. Undercarriage is really one of the shining stars on this vehicle. All the equipment, the running gear, all that in good working order. I wish I could run through features, but there's not a lot that's wired up. So there's no, I have a choke. Here's your headlight switch. This would be heat. This would be your wipers. Maybe hazards. Got a flip switch here, not connected to anything. Ashtray. This is floor and defrost switch. Floor, defrost. It's got some Spectre off-road parts. So he was working on it. He was getting it close. You know, I don't feel any blower motor or anything like that. The only problem without having a top is that your windshield isn't totally secure. So we got a fix for that here. We got a bungee cord running up to the wiper hole there. And that gets us down the road good. There's hardware that can re-ran through the dash, just like a CJ5 and 7. Yep, just not a lot of things I can run through on you besides tell you this is a solid start. But it does drive well, so let's go do that. And reverse. Works good. Drop into first. With the smaller tires, original size, it's a fairly low geared feeling. So we're probably only going to get up to about 50 miles an hour. Sure glad it's warming up. These open top cars, I seem to luck out on temperature for the day when I'm shooting these. Steers good. Accelerates really nicely. It rides like anything else on leaf springs, as you'd expect. Big squishy tires would help. You get to hear all the gears working together in that transfer case and transmission. Sounds smooth though. No grinding, clanking, anything like that. Downshifts are nice. Alright guys, that's what I got for you. Check it out, frankvanmotors.com. Any questions, give us a call. Get on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. See you next time. Bye.